I'm minor internet celebrity, man of the people, and all-round good guy Chad Hawk, and I'm here at Disneyland Paris to give you my guide to everything. Have you ever wondered what it's like to fly with Aladdin and the genie over Agrabah? Well, let Chad take you to see. Okay. It spins.
Congratulations, you were fabulous. Please remain seated until your magic carpet comes to a complete stop. Gather your personal belongings and follow the